Welcome back to the channel, gamers. Today, we are exploring a fresh alternative to Windows that could completely transform your gaming experience. If you're ready for enhanced privacy, smoother performance, and a controller-first interface, keep watching as we dive into the top 5 reasons why Bazzite Linux might be the perfect choice for your gaming rig. Reason 1. Enhanced privacy and minimal distractions. One of the major advantages of switching to Bazzite Linux is the improved privacy it offers. Unlike Windows, which often requires you to sign in with a Microsoft account and subjects you to relentless telemetry and advertisement prompts, Bazzite Linux provides a cleaner, distraction-free environment without constant updates and intrusive ads for services you may not want. You get a streamlined experience that keeps your data private and lets you focus solely on gaming. Reason 2. Broad gaming compatibility and improved performance. Worried about gaming compatibility? Thanks to Proton, a robust compatibility layer designed to run Windows title on Linux. Bazzite handles most modern PC games with ease. Many developers now offer native Linux support or optimize their titles with the Vulkan API, which is inherently more efficient on Linux-based systems. This means that whether you are playing the latest AAA releases or your favorite indie titles, Bazzite is built to keep up with your gaming demands. Reason 3. Learner, more efficient system performance. Windows has long been known for its extensive background processes and resource-intensive updates. Bazzite, on the other hand, is a lean operating system that cuts out unnecessary bloat. With fewer background services, more system resources are allocated to your games. This efficiency not only translates to smoother gameplay, but can also lead to a better performance, especially in titles that are optimized for the Linux environment. Reason 4. Simplified retro gaming with EmuDeck. Retro gaming enthusiast, this one's for you. Bazzite integrates EmuDeck, a comprehensive suite that makes setting up and managing multiple emulators a breeze. Whether you're reeling classic consoles, adventures, or exploring vintage PC games, EmuDeck streamlines the process by automatically installing the necessary tools and emulators. Say goodbye to the hassle of manual configuration and hello to effortless retro gaming. Reason 5 and the final reason, a controller-centric experience for modern gaming setups. Bazzite's design is heavily inspired by SteamOS, meaning it's optimized for controller use right out of the box. This makes it an excellent choice for those with home theater PCs or anyone who prefers a console-like experience on their big screen. By prioritizing controller navigation, Bazzite eliminates the constant need to switch between keyboard, mouse, and controller. This intuitive interface allows you to dive straight into your favorite games from the comfort of your couch. Now finally, the conclusion. In summary, Bazzite isn't just an alternative to Windows. It's a tailored solution for gamers who value privacy, performance, and seamless control-friendly interface. If you're looking to optimize your gaming setup without compromising on compatibility or user experience, it might be time to explore what Bazzite has to offer. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more gaming insights, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions about making this switch. Happy gaming! Thanks for watching. Peace out.